get ready for the dictation. On the count of 3, 2, 1, start. The Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is a major irrigation project in the Indian state of Telangana. The project is designed to lift water from the Godavari River and transport it to various parts of the state for irrigation purposes. The project is named after the village of Kaleshwaram, located on the banks of the Godavari River. The project involves the construction of several barrages, reservoirs, pump houses, and canals to lift and transport water. The Kaleshwaram project is considered to be one of the largest lift irrigation project in the world, with an estimated cost of around rupees 80,000 crores and a potential to irrigate over 45 lakh acres of land. The project has faced criticism from environmentalists and activists who are concerned about the impact of the project on the Godavari River and its ecosystem. However, proponents of the project argue that it will bring much needed irrigation water to drought-prone regions of Telangana, boost agriculture and rural development, and provide drinking water to several cities and towns in the state. The Kaleshwaram Lift Irrigation Project (KLIP) is an ambitious and massive infrastructure project that aims to transform the irrigation landscape of the Telangana state in India. The project involves diverting water from the Godavari River to irrigate about 18.25 lakh hectares of land in 13 districts of Telangana. The project is expected to provide irrigation water to more than 70% of the cultivable land in the state and generate hydroelectric power, boost agriculture, and improve the socio-economic conditions of farmers and rural communities. The Kaleshwaram project involves a series of barrages, lift stations, reservoirs, canals, and tunnels that will lift water from the Godavari River, which is one of the largest rivers in India, and transport it to various parts of Telangana. The project has been divided into 7 links, and each link has its own components and objectives. The project's estimated cost is around rupees 80,000 crores, and it is expected to be completed in multiple phases. The first link of the project involves the construction of the Medigadda barrage, which is located in the Jayashankar Bhupalpalli district. The Medigadda barrage has a gross storage capacity of 16.17 TMC, 1000 million cubic feet, and is designed to lift 2 TMC of water per day. The second link of the project involves the construction of the Kannepalli pump house, which is located in the Pedapalli district. The Kannepalli pump house has a capacity to lift 2 TMC of water per day. The third link of the project involves the construction of Package 8, which includes Package 3A and Package 3B. Package 3A involves the construction of the Annaram barrage on the Godavari River, which has a gross storage capacity of 20.17 TMC. Package 3B involves the construction of the Sandila barrage, which has a gross storage capacity of 8.55 TMC. The fourth link of the project involves the construction of Package 6, which includes the construction of the Kondapochama Sagar Reservoir, which has a gross storage capacity of 15.62 TMC. The fifth link of the project involves the construction of Package 4, which includes the construction of the Misc.Matter Reservoir, which has a gross storage capacity of 25.87 TMC. The sixth link of the project involves the construction of Package 2, which includes the construction of the Lower Manair Dam, which has a gross storage capacity of 24.5 TMC. The Lower Manair Dam will be used to store the surplus water that is not required for irrigation. The seventh and final link of the project involves the construction of Package 5, which includes the construction of the Ramadugu lift irrigation scheme, which will lift water from the Lower Manair Dam and transport it to the Ayakat area. The Kaleshwaram project has faced criticism from environmentalists and activists who are concerned about the impact of the project on the Godavari River and its ecosystem. The project involves diverting large amounts of water from the river, which could affect the downstream flow and the livelihoods of the people who depend on the river for their water needs. The project could also affect the aquatic biodiversity of the river as well as the groundwater levels in the surrounding areas. Additionally, the project has also faced legal challenges from neighboring states including Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra, which have expressed concerns about the impact of the project on their water resources. However, proponents of the projects argue that it will bring much needed irrigation water to drought-prone regions of Telangana, boost agriculture and rural development, and provide drinking water to several cities and towns in the state. The project is also expected to generate hydroelectric power, which will help meet the energy needs of the state. In conclusion, the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project is a massive infrastructure project that aims to transform the irrigation landscape of Telangana. While the project has faced criticism and legal challenges, it is expected to provide irrigation water to a large portion of the cultivable land in the state, boost agriculture and rural development, and generate hydroelectric power. However, it is important to ensure that the project is implemented in an environmentally sustainable manner and does not have a negative impact on the livelihoods of the people who depend on the Godavari River.